so I got the car back from the mechanic. Y'all know right now it's high as heck as far as trying to buy a new car or trying to buy a house or anything like that. Everything's expensive right now. All right. So I live in Florida. Temperature is like 97 degrees outside. The other day was like 100 and something. But guess what? AC goes out, right? So burning up in this car. So either get it repaired or just suffer, right? So get some estimates for getting the AC fixed. Come to find out, it's a compressor. If y'all got a 07 LS 460, get ready for this, because you know everything else is expensive on this car. How about $3,900 for AC repair? So I got all that right here. Got the compressor, which was $900. Got the dryer cooler, $161. Some miscellaneous parts, ring, O-ring, $10, whatever. But look at the labor. The labor, $2,800. So when everything's all said and done, they said it was gonna be what, $39, but then when his gave me a discount and came to $36. So yeah, I could have went somewhere else, but I decided to go to the dealership, and we already know dealership cost is crazy expensive. But I wanted to go there just to get it done right, because I already went to the other side places, and they recharged the system, and of course that didn't work because the compressor was bad, so it wasn't doing anything. So I just went ahead and went to the Lexus dealership. But anyway, $3,600 for AC compressor, AC job. And yeah, like I said, I could have said, you know, screw it, I'm not putting no more money into this car and try to buy another one, but car prices are out of this world right now. So I'd rather pay $36 than having to pay crazy prices for another car. So just get ready for that when y'all get any problems with your LS 460. And this is just an 07. Just imagine if I had a 2012 or one of the newer models. Oh yeah, one more thing I want to tell y'all. As soon as AC started malfunctioning and whatever, I used to always get condensation buildup. You know, AC's on, water starts leaking on the bottom there, like it is right there when the AC's on. I didn't get none of that when AC started messing up. I just had a feeling compressor and dryer was about to go, and it's about to be really expensive. Yeah, so just know as soon as that happens, it's going to be really expensive. Not just an easy fix. Alright, so comment, like, subscribe. I'm going to try to keep on posting repairs in the car, because I'm not going to get rid of it anytime soon.